Welcome to this video on how to reduce screen time before bed and improve your sleep. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in endless scrolling or late-night work emails. But if you've ever noticed how these habits affect your rest and overall wellness, you're not alone. Many people struggle with balancing their love for technology with the need for quality sleep. Today, we'll share practical, science-backed tips to help you integrate a pre-sleep digital detox into your routine. Let's explore how cutting back on screen time at night can enhance your health, reduce stress, and improve your connection with yourself. As a wellness enthusiast, you might already know that quality sleep is the foundation for mental and physical health. Yet, one common obstacle is our widespread reliance on digital devices late into the evening. The glowing screens we adore can secretly disrupt our well-being. Did you know that screens emit blue light, a specific wavelength that interferes with your body's melatonin production? Melatonin is the hormone responsible for managing your sleep-wake cycle, and when it's suppressed, your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep diminishes. This doesn't just impact your rest, it affects your mood, cognitive function, and even your workout recovery. Here's a closer look at how unhealthy nighttime screen habits impact your wellness. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, delaying sleep onset. Poor sleep quality. Prolonged screen use can create fragmented, less restorative sleep cycles. Digital notifications and late-night stimuli heighten mental activity, leaving your mind overactive when it should be winding down. By embracing a digital detox before bedtime, you're giving your mind and body the gift of calm, paving the way for restful sleep and improved overall health. If the idea of ditching screens entirely feels overwhelming, start by setting a simple rule. Establish a digital curfew. This one habit alone can transform your sleep. Decide on a cutoff time, ideally 30-60 minutes before bed, when you'll power down all devices. Whether you're streaming, texting, or gaming, gently remind yourself to step away from screens as you approach your designated time. Use these extra minutes to transition into calming, restorative activities. For example, take a warm shower to signal to your body that it's time to relax. Read a physical book to engage your mind in a soothing story. Try a light stretching or breathing exercise to let go of any tension from the day. On-screen suggestion: try this rule. No devices after 9:30 p.m. This approach encourages consistency and helps your brain associate the end of device time with an invitation to rest. One of the best ways to reinforce a digital detox is to create boundaries within your environment. Start by making your bedroom a dedicated tech-free sanctuary. Keep phones, laptops, and tablets out of your sleeping space, or at the very least, resist the urge to place them on your bedside table. Research shows that physical distance from devices helps limit midnight checking or endless scrolling when you wake up. If you rely on your phone's alarm clock, switch to an inexpensive analog clock instead, or charge your phone in another room. This physical shift not only removes temptation, but also ensures your brain associates your bedroom with relaxation, not work, notifications, or social media. Want an added wellness boost? Decorate your bedroom with calming details like soft lighting, aromatherapy, or lush indoor plants to maximize your restful environment. Let's be real. Sometimes, circumstances make it hard to go completely device-free before bed. If you absolutely must use tech at night, make the effort to minimize its impact on your health. Many devices now offer nighttime settings designed to decrease blue light exposure. Enable features such as night shift or blue light filter on your phone, computer, or tablet. These modify your screen's color temperature, reducing the strain on your eyes and helping mitigate melatonin suppression. Pair this with adjusting your device brightness to a dimmer setting. While this doesn't totally neutralize screens' effects on sleep, it's a helpful compromise for those nights you can't avoid devices entirely. Balance is key, and even small adjustments to your habits can make a difference. Now that you've reduced your screen time, what can you do instead? The possibilities are endless. Let's focus on wellness-aligned alternatives that promote relaxation while nurturing your mind and body. Some popular options include reading a physical book. Select a lighthearted or uplifting story to help you wind down. Avoid dramatic or intense topics that might elevate your emotions. Use this screen-free time to reflect. Write down thoughts from the day, set goals for tomorrow, or create a gratitude list to foster positivity. Integrate mindful movement into your evening. Slow stretches or restorative yoga postures activate your parasympathetic nervous system, encouraging relaxation. Listening to soothing music or guided meditations. Apps and audio programs offer calming playlists or meditations to ease stress and prepare for deep sleep. Experiment with these activities to find what resonates with your interests and wellness journey. A structured bedtime routine isn't just a powerful tool for children, it works wonders for adults too. By creating a predictable evening ritual, you're training your brain and body to follow a natural rhythm that promotes sleep readiness. Here's a sample routine you could follow. 1 hour before bed, initiate your digital curfew and shut down electronics. 30 minutes before bed, pick a relaxing activity such as reading, journaling, or light yoga. 15 minutes before bed, engage in deep breathing, a short meditation, or visualization exercise to ease into tranquility. Bedtime. Turn off the lights, settle into your comfortable sleeping space, and let sleep take over. Repetition is key. Stick with your routine consistently, and over time, your body will recognize these cues as a signal to rest. Have you ever tried a digital detox before bedtime? What strategies help you unwind and improve your headspace at the end of a busy day? Share your favorite tips and experiences in the comments below. Wellness is a shared journey, and your insights could inspire someone else to take that first step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest wellness-focused content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our next video on journaling for emotional health, where we explore effective prompts to guide your self-discovery. Thank you for joining us, and may you enjoy restful, rejuvenating nights ahead. Sweet dreams.